Welcome to this new section, and I hope you're all excited to start on a new project. In this section we're going to be creating a e-commerce t-shirt store. And we're going to be creating this by using the popular WooCommerce themes and plugins. So hopefully you can remember how to set up WordPress from the first project. So make sure the MAMP servers are running. So to get started, I'm going to go to open the start page and then create a database for our e-commerce project in PHP My Admin. So under the databases tab, I'm going to create a database called eCommerce and then create. And then that's all we need to do there. So now I'm going to head over to wordpress.org to download WordPress. So just as we did in the first project, click on download WordPress and select the latest version. And just let that download. And this needs to go again in the htdocs. So open up your MAMP folder, go to the htdocs, and next to our first project, let's unzip WordPress. And then drag this inside the htdocs. And then I'm going to rename this folder the shirt store. And then over to Google Chrome, I'm going to open up the local host. And this time click on the shirt store folder. And if all goes well, you should be taken to the setup screen. So choose your language of choice. And continue. And then let's set up the database. So let's go. So the database name we just set up was eCommerce. The username, again as root. Password, again as root. We're using a local host. I can keep the table prefix as WP. So submit, and that's all okay. So now we can move on to the install. And the site title, I'm going to call it the shirt store. Username, shirt store admin. Password, again I wouldn't recommend this for a live site, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to keep it simple and call it the shirt store. Confirm use of weak password. Enter a email, and then click install. Great, so hopefully you should get the success message. So try logging in with the details you just provided. So I use shirt store, admin, and then shirt store. Try again. That's it. So now we can just check out the site by clicking on visit site. Well done for getting WordPress all set up. And again, we're using the default theme which comes with WordPress. So now that's all up and running, I'll see you back in the next video where we'll get started with WooCommerce.